Now we enter the electrical tests, starting with the voltage ratio test. We analyze the results, and in the left we have the plots of the voltage ratio as a function of the tap for each of the phases. Where the minimum and maximum ratio, the FAT test and the current test appear. The voltage ratio of each tap is also plotted as a function of time for each of the phases. Being able to add tolerance. Now we open a winding resistance test and analyze it. The resistance of each winding is plotted as a function of the tap, and can also include the FAT test. The resistance of each winding as a function of time is also shown. We continue with the insulation resistance test. Where the insulation resistance and polarization index are plotted as a function of time for the different connections. We continue with the capacitance and dissipation factor test. We plots the trend of both measures for the different connections. Finally, we can generate a report with all the tests carried out. We select if we want to add the plots and the period in which the tests were performed.